a strong statement, because there's like 3 tower phases. Or 2 towers phases, but I'll guess it's the first towers he reached. First towers, okay.
And then up. And out. Up and in. Out. And back.
Buggy buggy.
Back for
Now,
where it goes. And towers.
hold 2 minutes.
Pot.
We can use 2 minutes now.
Back for when he does.
Should probably all be to be safe.
I think we would have
Yeah.
been fine either way, to be honest.
I just want to reach the next phase. Stack, 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 stack. And so.
You gotta stack on Alpha Node back here. You gotta stack on him.
And remember your positions.
What's my position?
Melees will take the first tether.
Melees and dealer.
Melees and healers.
Clutch.
Okay.
Need to take an orb with me,
Switch.
Clutch?
Okay.
Yeah, but we still had the blue tethers then.
Yeah.
Oh.
I shouldn't have blue
Take it from
tethers
us.
if you're about to take the orb.